Hello, today we will discuss about Ethernet specification. In this we will learn about what is Ethernet and what are broadband signals and the baseband signals and how data is transmitted over Ethernet and the concept name CSMA CD used by the Ethernet. So let's first discuss about Ethernet. So, the Ethernet is invented by Bob Metcalfe on May 22, 1973 to interconnect advanced computer workstation. So, Ethernet is a network protocol referred as IEEE 802.3 protocol, and it was introduced in 1980 and then standardized in 1983 as IEEE 802.3. And it is a family of computer networking technologies that control how data is transmitted over a LAN and a MAN network. So it means the Ethernet is used to connect LAN devices and the MAN devices together. So as this protocol evolved and improved over the time, now it can deliver speed up to gigabits per second. So it's used to connect computer and devices, and it can connect any type of computer to the network if that device has an Ethernet adapter or a network card. It means Ethernet adapter is must to connect the device to the Ethernet network. So Ethernet use hybrid star bus topology to connect devices in the network, and Ethernet works on layer 1 or layer 2 of an OSI model. Next is what is broadband signal and the baseband signal. So what is broadband signal? Broadband signals are the signals which are using analog signals to transmit the data, whereas baseband signals use the digital signals to transmit data. And broadband signal use FDMA technique to modulate the data, whereas baseband signal doesn't use any FDMA technique to modulate their data. And broadband signals are can transmit in one direction, and whereas baseband signal can transmit their data in both direction. So broadband signals can travel at a longer distance, whereas baseband signal can travel a shorter distance. So this is about broadband signal and the baseband signal. So next is how data is transmitted over Ethernet cable. As we noted, as the network evolved, there are many devices connected over the Ethernet. So it means they are using the same shared media over which they are sending their packet in the network. So it means conflicts can be occurred in the network. So it means the Ethernet makes the rules to avoid conflicts and to protect data integrity over the Ethernet. So device check when the network is available for sending packets. So it is possible that two or more devices at different location will attempt to send data at same time. When this happens, a packet collision occurs. So the concept name CSMACD, carrier sense multiple access collision detection, is used to eliminate collision in the Ethernet network. So CSMACD is a protocol which defines which device should use the Ethernet cable at a given time. So carrier sense. Carrier sense means each device in the network first sends the Ethernet cable before sending packet. So it means each device sends the Ethernet cable whether it is a free or any data is transmitting over it. So accordingly they send their data over it. Then is multiple access. It means every device in Ethernet network have the access to the Ethernet cable when Ethernet cable is free. So if two devices sends the cable at same time and they found that the cable is free, they start transmitting their data at the same time over shared Ethernet. So this led to the collision of data in the network, and NIC cards are very intelligent. They detect the collisions and then these both devices wait for a random time to again send the packet. So the device which generates the lowest random number begins to retransmit first, and the other device wait for the Ethernet wire to get free. And the collision domain. Collision domain is a group of devices that has a capability to sense the packet at same time in the Ethernet network, and this led to a collision in a network. So this is carrier sense multiple access collision domain. This is all about Ethernet. Thank you.